Page 218, Celestial Music. This is an example of three-part choral music. Only problem is there's no words. I guess they're going to go la, la, la or something. The point is you got singers doing this. This is their singing. And it tells you what the parts are at the beginning of the stabs. The A, T, B, alto, tenor, bass. Those are the three parts we have here. It could be three people. It could be a group of people in three parts. Whatever. The point is, can you play all of these stabs at the same time or as needed to help the singers out? For instance, the first staff, the altos, you just play that 3/4 time, no sharps or flats. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, simple enough. Then the tenors, remember the tenors go down an octave, so even though it's in treble clef, you're reading it. And I don't know which hand's going to play it. We'll just see. It's pretty close to the altos, so I could probably play those two in the same hand. The bass part is here, and you'll play it where it is. At the end here, I play that note. That's telling me pretty much I'm playing the tenor part in the right hand. So I want to hear the top and bottom. Those are the two important voices here. I mean, they're all important. These kicker is that stabs are so far apart. Can you be reading the notes that far? Your eyes are just blah. You know, that's. Second line. Yeah. And then let's see what the altos and tenors sound together. And I'm going to play these both in the right hand here, if I can. So far, they're just in thirds. Now it's here. Most of that, they're in thirds, okay, with the same rhythm. See, the basses have a slightly different rhythm, which is another reason to play that at a different hand. Now, here I'm going to hesitate on all three. That's fine. That's okay. And here. Sort of what it would sound like. I'm sure it would sound better with singers doing it than me doing it. And exactly where the melody is, I guess the altos may have it. I'm not sure. The point is I want to hear the melody, because in the dynamics they give each part the same dynamic. No, that's your starting point. We want to hear the melody at approximately mezzo forte. The other parts need to come down just a hair, or if it blends well enough, you can get away with all singing the same dynamic level, but you have to be careful because these are in thirds. And that's okay in thirds. You can get away maybe singing the same dynamic level. You have to just experiment and see. On dynamics, you may have to adjust here and there or wherever. And you can put in crescendos and decrescendos. You can interpret the music a little bit. Although I think the main part of this lesson is, can you read the different parts at the same time?